So same scenario as the first one, with the drunk driver being the one rear-ending the work vehicle, except this time the 45-year-old employee is 55 years old instead. Additionally, instead of being off for 1 year, she's off permanently due to the severity of her injuries.
So we still have the same personal injury claim. That fact pattern, it just, if anything, adds to the damages because there's going to be additional time off. However, you still can go after that drunk driver in this scenario.
Same workers' comp claim. They were in furtherance of the employer's business and they were hurt at work.
And now this is a Social Security claim because the person is 55. That puts them in the age category of 55 to 60. Anything over 50 is usually a good case for Social Security. Also, the fact that now the person is going to be off for more than a year or maybe forever. So this also makes this a good case for Social Security disability. Being a year or more, Social Security is not for short-term problems. Social Security is for long-term disabilities. So you have to be off a year or longer. And you do not have to wait a whole year to apply, but you have to be thinking you're going to be off a year. So say you apply and you're not off a year. You end up going back to work before the year's over. Then you just wouldn't get Social Security. And in Social Security, age is very important. If you're under 50, you're classified as a younger individual. If you're 50 to 55, you're classified as approaching advanced age. If you're 55 to 60, you're classified as advanced age. And 60 to 65, you're classified as approaching retirement age. So as you get older, it gets easier to obtain benefits. When you're under 50, you have to be able to show not only that you can't do your past work for the last 5 years, but that you can't even do a very minimal job, like a sitting job, which is referred to as a sedentary position. So you'd have to be able to show you can't even do a sedentary, sitting, unskilled job under 50 in order to obtain benefits. So if you're under 50, you have to have very severe physical and or mental conditions.